Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. As you can see, I'm here with Miss Piggy, which is my 2003 anniversary Fat Boy. And we have something new and custom to put on Miss Piggy. I am really excited. Really easy modification, but you know what? It's something that just adds just that little touch. If you've watched my channel for any period of time, you'll know that I like things that just make your bike yours. Customize. Your bike has a personality. You have a personality. Those two personalities should meet. Your bike should be an expression of you. So, a good friend of mine made something for me, and I will show it to you here in a minute. Before we get into that, let's get started. I am Yogi, and welcome to Yogi Cycle Service. I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you like it. If you like what you see, surf around, check out my channel, and see what else you like. If you like some other videos out there, do me a favor, hit the like button. Show me that you like them. Show YouTube that you like them. Mash that subscribe button. Show a brother some love. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping back and watching this video. A good friend of mine, a brother in the club, reached out to me a couple months ago, said, "Hey man, what's the font you use for Yogi Cycle Service?" So I told him what the font was. You know, I kind of forgot about that conversation. Well, at a most recent Christmas party this year, one of the guys that I sponsor in the club came up to me and handed me a present. And I opened it up, and inside it was a custom tank bib made by my brother out of Arizona. Now, my brother in Arizona is just getting started in leather work, and he's got some good things going on out there in Arizona. And he's hopefully going to have some storefront here soon. And when he does, I will announce what the links are to his store. But for now, I'm going to show you one of the things that he made for me via my club son. Let me show you this one. This tank bib, as you can see, has quite a few miles on it. Mainly 100,000. And it is pretty much coming out of, from where it sticks on, oop, as I hit the camera with it, you know, it's pretty much, it's on its last leg. So it's not doing so good. So in looking at Etsy, my club son was like, he ordered himself a tank bib. He's like, and I was like, ooh, that's kind of cool. That's a good idea. That's a great way to add something to customize your bike. He was hoping that I didn't go to Etsy because he gets stuff off of Etsy. And, you know, I used to think that Etsy was for girls. But I found some really cool stuff on Etsy too, like pipes for smoking, you know, pipes, like tobacco pipe, you know. There's some really cool pipes on Etsy too. So anyways, we were both looking at tank bibs on Etsy one day, and he was hoping that I didn't order one because he knew that he was going to go to one of my brothers out in Arizona and have a custom-made one. And let me show you what I got. It's so sweet. Yogi's Cycle Shop tank bib. Let's put it on. And I'm sorry for the lighting in here. It is cold, it is wet, it is raining outside. It's just straight up miserable. Let's go put this tank bib on, shall we? Oh, I forgot to show you. And look, he put black and gray damn bandana on the back so it doesn't scratch the tank. How awesome is that? Old Nellie's coming off. She's pretty tired too. Oh, it's dirty. Let's not be a judge now. Let's not judge. Now I do realize that when he made this, he did not have the exact dimensions of my tank to know size to make this, and that's okay. You know, that's part of the beauty of handmade crafts. But we're gonna make it work. And these two holes here don't exactly line up with the two holes that were on there. But again, that's okay. We're gonna make it work. I hate taking this thing off because sometimes that weather stripping is such a pain to get back in there. So let's see if this is high enough. Oh yeah. That'll work. Put it like that. Tighten it back down. Put our Mustang seat back on. So there we go, Yogi Clan. A simple 5-minute install. You can get ones like this off Etsy, or you can contact my buddy Schmeed out in Arizona. When he gets his store up and running, I promise I will bring you some links to his store. That way you can order some quality leather products. Give your bike that personal touch like Miss Piggy has. Braiding on the Mustang seat. Braiding on the fender bib. Yogi's Cycle Shop. Is that not awesome? Love it. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Schmeed. Love it, guys. You guys rock. I am so excited to take this out and go for a ride and show it off to everyone. It is pretty cool. So I'm going to get some pics, throw it up on Instagram, and take this tip, Yogi Clan. Something simple, something easy. You don't need to buy $1 million parts for your bike. You just need to make it you. Just need to make it custom. Sometimes it's the cheap little handmade touches that make your bike, that set your bike apart from all the others. Keep that in mind. Thank you for joining us, Yogi Clan. I hope you have an awesome day and a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you soon. Peace.